In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your marketing email campaign performance in Hubspot. If you've been running email campaigns to boost your business outreach, understanding how they perform can be crucial to refining your strategy and achieving your marketing goals. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to access and analyze your email campaign data efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to the Hubspot website. If you are at your browser, simply type in the Hubspot URL or use your bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Hubspot account. Click on the login button, which you'll find conveniently placed on the upper right hand corner of the page. Log in with your credentials. If you have multiple accounts or need any assistance, Hubspot support is just a click away. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Hubspot homepage. Here, you'll notice a variety of options, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we want to focus on the marketing section. Look for the main navigation menu, and when you spot marketing, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to various marketing functionalities available in Hubspot. With the marketing section open, let's proceed by locating email. Click on it to access all your email related data. This section gives you a comprehensive view of all your email campaigns, past and present. It's a powerful tool offering insights and data that can help you optimize future campaigns. Next, to dive deeper into specific campaign details, click on Actions. This button usually resides adjacent to the campaign list or somewhere easily visible. Once there, select the option View Details. This step provides you with an in-depth look into each campaign's metrics. Now that you've clicked on View Details, you come to another section simply titled Details. Go ahead and click on Details. Here's where the magic happens. This section reveals valuable metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and more. These are vital statistics that tell you how your audience is engaging with your emails. By analyzing these statistics, you can gain insights into what aspects of your campaign resonate with your audience and which areas might benefit from some tweaking. Perhaps certain subject lines work better than others, or maybe specific content encourages more interactions. Use this data to refine your approach. Remember, the goal is to keep improving and learning from each campaign. That wraps up our walkthrough. Analyzing your marketing email campaign performance in Hubspot empowers you with information to drive better results. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and let the data guide you to marketing success. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide valuable. If you have any questions or need further tutorials, feel free to reach out.